Now, I've just got back from holiday. I was supposed to be there until tomorrow, Saturday, but the weather has gone really horrible and it's only a really small boat, so I decided to come back early, which means today is Friday, so I've got a bit of a bonus day to get on with this. I can't remember where I got to. Oh yes, I was doing the O-ring groove. So let's set up for O-ring groove cutting. If I've got enough half decent footage, I might put a bit of holiday footage up, maybe. Right, I've put the grooving tool in. I've got these carbide ones. It kind of ranges between 2.45 and 2.53 depending on how hard I'm pushing the calipers, so we'll say that's good. Actually went relatively straightforward for a change. Now I need to break these edges, and I would normally do it on the machine, but it's just going to be too dangerous with these ears sticking around. So I'm just going to do it manually. So I'm pretty sure we're all good there. Now I need to break these edges. What that means is just take these sharp edges off. It's different to deburring, which is removing burrs. This is to make sure that there's no stress riser. So you can feel I've got a sharpish there. I'm just going to do it with this flat wheel. Right, turn this round now. So let me just swap these jaws out and let's just see if my plan has worked. Right, I'm down to my final pass. What I was actually going to do was put the end on in the lathe actually and weld the things on. But if I don't actually finish this off, which I've got to skim it anyway after welding, then I can take it off and put it back on again. So a couple of little marks there and there. I'm at the wrong angle here, it's really awkward. So I know which one to line up, how they line up. I've ground off the extra pieces that I had to put on to hold them in position. Line up my two dots, which are there. Oops, and bolt them together for now.